He, God, is a father to the fatherless. Bro, that changed my whole life. You guys know my dad passed away age 12. My earthly dad passed away age 12. Bro, when I saw God is my father, it changed the entire game for me, because I realized I'm not limited to my family. I'm not limited to them. So it goes from being this where you are kind of like in this, what's the right word? Like in a box. The box broke open. Because the day you realize that God is your father, it changes everything. It no longer allows you to make excuses. Because God is your father. Can I tell you for how long in my life? I mean, for years on end, I used my dad passing away age 12 as an excuse to justify my bad behavior. You guys know I used to sell weed. You guys know I ended up in the back of a police van 9 odd years ago. I used my dad dying at age 12 as an excuse as to why I was doing what I was busy doing. And the day I discovered God is my father, I could no longer use that excuse. And there's even maybe perhaps some of you in this very room over here, you are using trauma as a crutch in your life to get attention. And God is saying, you no longer need to use trauma to get attention. You got my attention. I see you. I see you and I love you, and I want you free from that trauma, because hurt people hurt people. And I want you free from that. Because wherever the Spirit of the Lord is, there's liberty. God is wonderful counselor, everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. For so long I used that trauma as a crutch. God don't want us using crutches. God wants us to walk free.